before, talagang ang taas ng supply ng mga agriculture natin. Sabi nga, yung ibang bansa pa yung nag-i-import ng mga products natin. Pero ngayon, tayo na yung kumukuha from the other countries. What can you say on that?
Nakakalungkot na even us, we have actually a wide array of biodiversity in the Philippines. So, parang more than 25,000 species yan.
Mm-mm.
Pero, parang hindi nagkakaroon ng enough budget and support yung ating mga farmers, the people who are studying these different species. I think it is very familiar sa atin na tawagin ang Philippines bilang isang agricultural country. But if we look at our GDP, yung contribution ng agriculture towards our GDP, in 2023, parang 8.6% lang siya. So if we will look at our gross domestic product, we are not really an agriculture-driven country. We are a service-driven country. So, it reflects yung, kumbaga parang support din
Oo.
na natatanggap ng ating mga farmers.
Oo.
And, I think it's really an overlapping na rin ng mga problem